Hey guys, for part 3 I'm going to show you how to put it back together, the rest of the sled. I'm going to show you how I wired up my 12 volt and just quick run through how to do all that. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright, so first thing, put the air box back on. My boot's ripped, but for you guys this will be loose. And you'll have to slide it over and then tighten this, and then it'll push down the lock. Make sure your wires are all out of the way. The back of this is going to go up over these, so because that's where it attaches. Push into place like that. Then you'll have to straighten this flange up, lock it on, and then tighten this hose clamp right here. Make sure everything's where it belongs. Both of these on top, both of these clips. There's a little hose here that hooks in right here. And then under here you have a Velcro strap that loops around, that holds the front. Pretty simple. Okay, everything's down. We can take our Torx at this point and put these in. Then we're gonna need our 7mm. Put the coolant bottle back on. Should be the only time we need the 7mm. Just snug. It's just the bottom of the bottle. Still don't want it to come loose though. I'm gonna hook up my wires real quick and then I'll restart. If you're interested, I ran a 12-volt power supply down to where I had an extra hot here that went into a fuse block. Then I ran my ground down to there. That's how I did it. It worked, but that's what I was talking about for my extra wires, just so you know. All right, back to putting it back together. Now that I got that straightened out, I'm gonna tape those just so they hold secure, my own wiring. Because I put connectors on them this time. Plug in your ignition for your key. Locks in. Remember this ring? This ring goes around here. I don't tighten that ring real tight because when you go to get it off again, if you ever have to get back in there and you got it really tight, it does not want to come off at all. And it really only holds this snug, so it's got no reason to come loose. And put my cap back on. Light assembly, and there'll be 3 connections, that, and your computer. Mice ate mine, that's why there's a hole in it. Took out my stator, and that took out the flywheel, or the mag. Sure that that's in and clipped. You guys shouldn't have these screws out because you don't need to take them out. But that keeps a lot of this assembly together. This goes over airbox, this goes over that, this goes on top. These clips up here shove in. Windshield can go back on. It actually didn't have to come off because you guys aren't getting into that part. It will have to come off if you guys are removing your headlights for any reason. Two, or there's one up under here. And there's also two right here. Mine's broke right there, so that one doesn't have one. And also two up here. Basically, it's onto the sides. Top. Then bottom. Make sure to put your belt holder in here first. And this, yours will kick back and lock up here. I put extra bolts in there just because mine likes to blow off. And it's been lost before. So I put some small self-tappers up here. Cover. Front first, then pin. Back here. Seat. Take your seat on. Push forward. Lock. Second side. Top. Bottom. Make sure you flip your clip in. Clip both. And we're done. Runs pretty good for 8,000 miles. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And like I always say, if you have anything else you want me to go over, feel free to leave it in the comments. Thanks. See ya.